Hi, this is Nitin from Tech Caesar. Today I recorded this video to show you that how custom caching works in Salesforce Commerce Cloud. In my previous videos, I have already discussed that how caching works in SFCC and how query string play an important role in caching. So today I will expand the same topic to discuss the custom caching. So in the custom caching, let's say that you have some shipping rules which are stored into the external server, and uh, you will have to fetch those shipping rules, and then based on that, your application will show the shipping methods to customer. Or let's say that you have prices which are stored to the external server, and you may like to show the real time prices to customer. uh, that type of information where you will have you are getting those information from the external system, or you are doing some processing which is common to all users, but it's expensive processing and you do not want to do it again and again. So that type of information you can store into the custom caching, and then your application will use that stored information in place of recalculating the same thing or calling the service to get the same thing. uh, in in SFCC, there are some boundaries to use it. The first boundary is that you can use only 20 MB of memory for all the custom cache. So maximum 20 MB can be used in memory. And the second thing is you can create only 100 custom cache keys, and those keys must be unique. Basically, the name of the keys must be unique across all the cartridges. If there is duplicacy, then it will throw an error. So it's pretty straightforward. First thing what you really need to do, that you need to put the cache.json, and in the cache.json you need to put the ID, right? And this ID must be unique to all cartridges. Uh, and This is optional that expires after seconds. So here it is saying that after 900 seconds, this key value will be cleared, and it means that again it will recalculate that that is stuff, or it will call the external service to get the information to store it again. But this is optional. If you will not set it, it will never be cleared. uh, and when I say never, please remember that custom cache will be cleared whenever the code or data replication will happen, or whenever the code version will be switched. So it will be automatically cleared at that time. So first thing, as we discussed, that cache utilization need to be in place. Then the second thing, what you need to do, that in the package.json, you need to give the cache.json file path. Once these are in place, so let's say that in this one, PayPal REST auth token has been defined as a key. So this is the time to use this. So here you will have to use the cache manager uh, to get the key instance. So here we use the cache manager dot get cache, and we pass the cache key here. So it is giving me the custom cache key instance. Now with the help of that, I will have to use the put function to set the cache value. So here this is a token as a key, and then I'm putting up access token as a value, and then I will have to use a get function to get the value. So put for to set the value, and get for to get the value of that custom cache. So this is how we will use this into the code. One more thing we need to remember, that we need to enable the custom caching into the business manager. So here under the admin operation section, there is a custom cache, and we need to ensure that this checkbox is checked. Then only this custom caching will function. Uh, this also shows some metrics where it will show that how many keys are being used, and then what's the usage information around it. You may clear it if you want. Uh, so you can you can take a look time to time to ensure that right keys are being introduced, and if there is a key which is not being used anymore, we should plan to remove it, because as I said, there is a limit to use only 100 keys and maximum 20 MB memory. So that's how it works. This whole custom caching, it's a pretty useful. It reduce the processing. It also reduce the additional service call which we may need to call again and again. So please have a look and go through the documentation and plan to use in your code. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.